Hey everyone, this is Mr. T from Charamicos. I'm at Joel Solution. This is a telephone and accessories shop just around the corner from Mundito Solutions, which is the first turn when you're going down through the long street in Charamicos. So let's go inside. You can just see here we got everything from smartphone stuff and watches and other things. Now, one of the things that's special here is Joel Solution. They specialize in Apple products. Hola, Joel.
Hola, hola, saludos.
Saludos. So, tú tienes reparaciones y mucho más aquí.
Exacto, tenemos gran variedad de dispositivos, todas las marcas.
So he says there's a big variety of different brands of telephones, and you can get your Android stuff, iPhones, and much more.
En accesorios, cover, protector de pantalla de buena calidad, buenos precios y buenas marcas.
So he's got screens and chargers and covers, everything you need for cell phones. And posible, yo he visto
Seguro.
atrás.
Somos especialistas en iPhone.
So they have all the special. Hola, Anthony.
Hello, Anthony here. We are specialists in repairing iPhones.
iPhones.
Take a look there.
They've got all the advanced equipment here to fix stuff. So it looks very tiny and complex. So this is a great place. If you got any issues, you want things cleaned, repaired, then come over here. And what is your opening hours, Anthony?
We are open 9 in the morning, and we close at 6 p.m.
9 to 6, and that's
9 to 6.
Monday to
Friday.
Yeah.
And then the Saturday we open till the midday.
Open to midday. Excellent. Well, so I'm just going to show the outside numbers again to these guys. So come down and visit Joel Solutions and Anthony here.
Yeah, have a nice
Okay,
day.
you too. Okay, so here's the number, 829-494-2751. Joel Solution.